Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, you guys know that I love reviewing products with you all. Today the product I'm going to talk about is Rolly Fresh in Market. It is an international product which just came in India, and the product is L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is a great serum, guys. I really like it. I heard a lot of good things about it, like that it really works on hair which is colored. I have colored hair and I really wanted a product which can protect my hair. Then I've also heard that this product is also good for protecting your hair from frizz and also from heat. So I have a problem that I always blow dry my hair after washing them. I mean, I really want my hair to be set no matter what. So before stepping out, it is a mandate for me that I really blow dry my hair. So that's why I wanted to get my hands on this amazing product so that I can see for myself. So I'm going to show you the product, how it looks. I'm going to also use it on my hair and tell you the review. So keep watching the video to know more. So guys, this product is already very famous in international market. I've heard a lot of international influencers talk about it. This is made up of 6 rare flowers. It is non-greasy and really lightweight. So I'm going to just show you the product on my hand. See, this is how the product looks. It's really nice and non-greasy and it smells amazing. So I'm going to just do a little review on my hair as well. I'm going to show you how I put it and the results thereafter. I'm really excited and looking forward to use this product. So this one product can be used in 12 different ways, including you can use it after washing your hair, you can use it before putting any sort of product on your hair, you can use it before curling your hair, you can use it before styling your hair if you're putting a heating pad or a dryer on your hair. You can also put it to protect your hair from sunlight. So these are some certain ways you can use this product. I usually use it after washing my hair. I just take a drop of this product and put it on my hair, overall hair, or I use it before I style my hair while I'm going to use any sort of heat on my hair so that it stays. So guys, right now I have used this product on my hair and I'm going to tell you something really honestly. If you can see, my hair is literally shining. So this shine is not because of anything else, but because of this great product here. I swear to God, I have used it today. My hair really feels nice and really soft. I have never felt this way before after any serum or any oils. I really feel my hair is shining and they're really soft and subtle and I don't feel any frizz. If you can see, I haven't styled my hair right now. If you can see the shine it puts on the hair, it is commendable. I mean, I really don't know how to tell you guys about this, but I'm really glad that I got my hands on this amazing product. So usually serums don't give you the nourishment, but this one does. I am definitely going to put this in my day-to-day routine. And this product claims that it gives you protection from sunlight, 98% protection, and also from heat up to 230 degrees Celsius, which I'm sure it does because I have felt it myself that it gave me that protection, because as I told you guys that I have been using hair dryers all my life after the hair wash and before going out. For me, it's a great product. It comes in a very pocket-friendly price of only $4.99. And it is my go-to product because it makes my hair look healthier and shinier, which I genuinely wanted. Okay, so my final thoughts. This amazing serum out here, it's for all hair types. If you have frizzy hair, this is your go-to product. If you have straight hair, this is your go-to product. If you want to protect your hair from heat, your go-to product. If you want to just nourish your hair, this is your go-to product. You can use it in any way, literally any way. So I am going to use it in my day-to-day life for life now because this is my go-to product and I love it. Guys, if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Do let me know what kind of videos do you want me to create. Comment on this video, like, share with your friends and family, and I will see you next time.